Go Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. Today was my first day trying it, and to be honest, I'm not sure if I like it. I didn't notice that big of a difference. I'm concealing my eyelids using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. Now I'm just setting that in place using a translucent powder. For today's look, I'm trying to make my eyebrows look as natural as possible. I'm using an orangey brown all over my crease. Next, I'm going in with a light brown shade all over my lid. I'm applying a gold shimmery shade on the inner parts of my eyes. Moving on to face, I'm using the It Cosmetics CC Cream. Now I'm just concealing some of my imperfections that are peeking through the foundation. For concealer, I'm using my Too Faced Born This Way concealer to try and give myself an elongated look like I've seen people do on TikTok. Next, I'm gonna bake for a little bit because I've noticed when I let my powder sit for too long, my under eyes tend to get really dry. I'm now finishing my eyes by using a deep orange underneath my lash line. I'm also taking some of it into my crease to make this look feel a little bit more cohesive. Before I move on to anything, I'm quickly getting rid of any foundation that I have on my lips. Next up, I'm just warming up my face using my Physicians Formula bronzer. Next, I'm applying an orangey red blush all over my cheeks and some of my nose too. I think it kind of gives off this very cute sunburn effect. I know it's kind of weird to think that getting sunburn is cute, but it just kind of reminds me of going to the beach and having fun. Now I'm just giving myself freckles to add to that cute sunburnt effect. I also gave myself a cute little beauty mark underneath my eye because I just think it's so cute. It just reminds me of the Bratz. Now I'm just curling my eyelashes and putting on some mascara. Now moving on to lips, I'm going to start off by lining them. I'm slightly overlining my lips and I'm trying to get rid of my cupid's bow. I just think doing so gives off a very cute and youthful appearance. I'm filling my lips in using that same lip liner. Using my 3CE melting pot, I'm going to be applying some of it in the inner parts of my lips to give myself an ombre effect. And lastly, I'm just putting some lip gloss on my lips. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys liked it, please do give it a thumbs up. And if you made it this far, comment down below an orange emoji. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye! She just got on my lap. She wants attention. Ah, no. You're in the shot, babes. You're in the shot. And comment down below. Guys, she just wants to be in my lab.